Today, we are diving into abstraction, a core principle of object-oriented programming. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details of a class and exposing only the necessary functionality. Let's understand this by a real-life example. When you go to the ATM, you insert a card, enter an OTP, and withdraw cash. However, you do not need to know how the ATM works internally. Let's take another example. Imagine using a television remote. You only need to know which button to press to change the channel, not how the remote communicates with the TV. Abstraction in programming works similarly. In Java, we achieve abstraction through abstract classes and interfaces. In interfaces, we provide only method declarations without method bodies. In abstract classes, we also declare abstract methods that do not have a body. However, an abstract class can also contain concrete methods that do have a body. We will discuss abstract classes and interfaces in upcoming videos. Let's discuss about the key benefits of abstraction. Abstraction hides the messy details. Just like using a TV remote, you only need to know which button to press without understanding how the TV works inside. It increases security. By keeping the inner workings hidden, your code is safer. It prevents others from accidentally messing with important details. It increases reusability. When you create a well-defined piece of code, you can use it again and again in different parts of your program, just like reusing a recipe. It reduces code duplication. Instead of writing the same code over and over, abstraction lets you write it once and reuse it, making your work more efficient and your code easier to manage. Abstraction reduces the dependency between different parts of your code. This means you can change one part without breaking others, similar to swapping out a part in a machine without needing to rebuild the entire machine. Today, we learned that abstraction is all about focusing on what an object does rather than how it does it. In next lesson, we will discuss about inheritance in Java.